every time they'll be throwing onions on the floor. As in, hey, then Christy, baby, Christy, see, I'm done cooking. I've been waiting for you. You know, come. Christy, see what I made today. Let me show you. This one is the one I'll take out. See my plate, very demure. Yum and okay, let me show you the pot. Let me show you the pot. I hope you can see Christy, baby. Otutoma. That's how my children greet. Yam porridge with okra and angara leaf. It's akwụkwọ angara. Imagine akwụkwọ angara. Oh, Christy. Bia, come and pick all these things to Saleva. Also, so. Denny. Denny, sir. Bia. Name. Pick it. Put there. Name. I'm not saying take it. Name. Oh, how do you do now? You are done. Me, I want to go and exercise my own. It's by this time that I do it. So I'll go and skip some for some time. Or I just skip maybe a particular number. If I skip up to 1,000, I'll now go. Oh, you already are almost out, or rather, you're getting out. Wow. See your face. Eh, you've given us work in the kitchen already. Jerry, let me wait, let's feed this thing over. Pick all these plantains, pick all of them. Onions and plantains. Mama, that's your child basket they got. See, see onions up, see plantain down. What keep it back? Good girl. Clap for Denisa. Bam, bam. Hey. She go sit on me again. Thank you for liking. We're going to shop, baby. Someone is in my own shop, that's why. Someone is my own shop. My own should have been open by now. It opens by 8 o'clock. I'll go later. After exercising, I'll have my bath and leave. I want to see yourself. See all these small beans as if they don't know what they are doing. See. Say hi. Say hello. I love you. I love you. So sweet that I'm coming back. Christy, I just took my lemon water now. And as usual, you go push some things down. So I need to ease myself, okay? I need to use the convenience. You don't want me to bring it down one bit. Mama. Say papa. Say grandpa. If you don't say grandpa, I'll not carry. Say grandpa. Whoa, grandpa. Hey, sweethearts, friends of the house, my darlings, my boo-boos. I want to use the convenience. I want to reach the restroom. So give me 2 minutes.